In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list and sell digital products on eBay. Selling digital products can be a lucrative and scalable way to share your creations with the world, and eBay provides a robust platform to reach a wide audience. Let's get started with setting up your seller account, which is the very first step. Head over to My eBay and navigate to the selling section. Here, you will set up your account by providing the necessary information and linking a payment method. Keep in mind, Payoneer is now eBay's main payout system, so make sure to set that up accordingly. Next, you'll want to choose the correct category for your digital product. Go to the Sell an Item page to search for a category that best matches your items. It's important to note that for digital goods, you'll want to look into categories like digital art, eBooks, or other digital products and services. Selecting the right category is crucial as it helps your potential buyers find your product more easily. Now we come to setting the listing format. Depending on the type of digital product or service you're offering, you may need to choose the classified ad format, which is common for digital services. However, if the category allows, you can also use the fixed price format, which provides potential buyers with a clear and straightforward purchasing option. Writing a clear and detailed description is key. When crafting your description, be sure to include exactly what the buyer will receive, such as file type, size, and format. Clarify how the delivery will work, whether through email or a secure download link, and mention any license or usage rights they might have. For example, you might say, "You will receive a PDF download link delivered to your registered email within 24 hours of purchase." Let's talk about the delivery method. When selling digital products, it's essential not to upload the file on eBay directly. Instead, after a purchase is made, send the product either to the buyer's email associated with their eBay account or via a secure cloud link, such as Google Drive or Dropbox. This ensures a smooth and secure transaction. Finally, you need to set your price and payment options. Decide on either a fixed price or an auction starting price, depending on your preference and strategy. Payments for your sales will be processed through eBay managed payments, and these can be dispersed to your bank or through Payoneer. By following these steps carefully, you can set up a successful digital product listing on eBay and reach a global audience with your creations. Enjoy the process and watch your business grow.